the Wera 12-piece precision screwdriver set. So as I said previously, this is from Wera, known for their quality German-made tools. So to start off with, we're going to have a quick look at the box. So as normal with Wera, it's a nice quality matte finish box with the shelf tag on the top. Don't know if you can see that. There you go, shelf tag. Yeah, tells you a few bits about what heads you get and all of that sort of thing. But yeah, box is fairly simple and elegant. So let's have a look at what's inside. So as soon as you open the box, you see the screwdrivers, or rather the screwdriver case, and then below that is small instruction manual and then a Velcro strip. So I've already used my Velcro strip, but normally in the box there'd be a Velcro strip. You can see they've got the Wera logo in the back of the box, and this is all still quite a nice matte finish. So yeah, it's a good start for the Wera. So the screwdrivers themselves come in a kind of hardish fabric case with obviously the Velcro on the back. Don't know if you can see that there, the Velcro with the Wera rubberized logo on the front and a picture of what's inside. So it's another Velcro tab to open the pouch, and then as soon as you open it, you see the screwdrivers. So the screwdrivers themselves have the Wera Comfy Grip. Bring it up to you. The Wera Comfy Grip, as always. They have the head and they have their focus. They have their size on the end and the Wera logo in the middle, and obviously the symbol for what head they are and the colour band at the top, which helps you recognise what size they are. So if you at first glance you can see that it's got a hardened tip. You can see that in the black, so it's got a different hardness of metal in the tip, just to make it a bit stronger. And then we've also got the free stock, so that when it's in the palm of your hand it can spin. So yeah, quite a nice screwdriver overall. So this is the flathead selection. So yeah, let's lay out all of them and have a look. On to these, let's have another quick look at the pouch. So for holding in the screwdrivers, it's got a some elastic loops, and they just slot in. And then it's got little tabs at the end so that when it's rolled up, prevents dust and dirt from getting in there, basically. Yeah, overall the case is quite nice. It's got a rough, tough finish to it. Seems like it would take a lot, and my previous experience of Wera would show that this case will is quite durable. So let's have a look at the screwdrivers themselves. So to begin off with, you get 5 flatheads or crossheads. You get 2 Torx heads, you get 2 Phillips heads, and 3 hex drivers. So the flatheads go from a size 3, I think, down to a 1.5 for sizes, and then for the Torxes you get a Torx T5, TX5, and a TX6, and then for the Phillips you get a Phillips 00 and a Phillips 0, and then as far as the hex drivers go, you get a 2mm hex, a 1.5mm hex, and a 0.9mm hex. So that's what the set includes, all with the comfy grip and all with the spinning stocks on them. So let's unscrew a few bits. I'm going to move those 2 out of the way because I don't have a test subject that involves those, and move those out of the way. So let's have a look at these 2 particular ones, the ones that I use the most. So first one is the biggest crosshead in the set. It's a 3, and the biggest Phillips, which is a 0. So to start off with, we can have this is just a standard audio interface, and you see you've got some nice screws on the back. So let's have a go at this. This is where the flexible stock comes into use. You can really put pressure on it and it will just spin freely in your palm. And it comes right out. If you notice there, the good thing was that it's a nice snug fit. It doesn't wobble about too much, and the tips stand up to a lot of abuse. So that's a quick look at the Phillips. The other thing was that there's never had one of these slip inside of a screw. As long as you put decent pressure on it, it shouldn't slip. So now let's have a look at the flathead. We've got a very slight split down the side, so we can use the flathead to come in there and just prise it open. And as you can see with that, the length of the screwdriver itself helps with that. It gives you some more leverage when opening things. And you see there's a little clip at the top, and then it's opened up. So my overall opinion on the set is that it's very good. It's a very high quality set. It's a lot better than your kind of supermarket jeweler screwdrivers. The only downside to these screwdrivers is that they're a fixed type, so you can't change the heads on them, obviously. And there are some, kind of like the iFixits, where you can change out the heads and you get a larger variety of heads for the money. But as far as a set of precision screwdrivers go, this is a very high quality one. Definitely worth the £40 roughly that they seem to be selling for. So thank you for watching.